Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody say.
Look at these. What is this? Milk chocolate covered dry roasted and salted Virginia peanuts. Oh yeah. Hey, Mike Foster here. Today I'm going to try these Trader Joe's milk chocolate covered dry roasted and salted Virginia peanuts. Savory, salty, and sweet chocolate. Can it work? Well, you bet your Reese's Peanut Butter Cup it can. Just try a couple of these, see them? Now, I don't eat a lot of chocolate, but I do like milk chocolate, but immediately you get the taste of both. The saltiness from those peanuts mixed with that, sweetness of that milk chocolate. I gotta tell you, take this and hide it from me. I could eat this. I could eat this whole thing. Oh, those are good. This is a Trader Joe's brand, like I said. They make a lot of good stuff. Perfect for around the holidays. You know, everyone's eating, being pig during the holidays. Might as well throw these on the table too. Okay, I gotta stop. If you like peanuts and the saltiness of peanuts, it's not too salty, and you love the sweetness of chocolate, try these. And you may be able to convince yourself that they're healthy. Do some research. Peanuts are one of the healthiest foods on the planet. I have a video about that. And believe it or not, chocolate is loaded with antioxidants. But it's not really healthy for you. This is just for decadence. No, this is a thumbs up. Buy these. Or keep them away from me. I love this new series. Mike tries. I get to try stuff. Oh, and if you like it, check it out. Check out all my other videos at Live Life 365. And subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
All right, no one's looking. I'm just kidding. I will take a couple more. That smile is